Hi everybody, it's Mr. D at In the Middle with Mr. D1blogspot.com. I've just released my new sub-plan bundle, my first one. It has 7 topics in it. Now it can take just 7 days of 50-minute class periods, and it can cover that with a music or non-music sub, or with you, because you can also teach these lessons. Or it could take up to 2 months, because in several of the lessons I've included many extension activities. Things like creative writing, interviewing, writing songs. There's so many extension activities included in them that you can really make this go a while and make them big units. Bought individually, they'd be about $115 at this point, but if you get them now, they're $49, and that's gonna have you covered, I think, for a lot of the year if you had to be out for 2 months, for example. I made them good for non-music subs because I was never able to get music subs, but if you do have a music sub, or if you decide to teach it, you can certainly make this last a long time, whether it's in your general music class or in your chorus class. All right, I hope it helps you, and have a great day.